Dear friends, today we celebrate the feast of Mother Teresa, the carrier of God's tender love, an angel of mercy, a channel of peace, and a cause of joy. She who embodied the charity of God lived fully the virtues of the Immaculate Heart of Mary. Mother Mary once again walked through our lives in Mother Teresa. Let us, dear friends, today look at some virtues of the Blessed Virgin Mary that shone brightly in this saint of charity. First, surpassing purity.
The ever Virgin Mary was immaculate, full of grace and purity. Like her, in the midst of all the dirt of Kolkata slums, Mother Teresa kept her soul, her sari, and the hearts of her poor entrusted to her clean and pure. Second, divine wisdom. Like Mother Mary, seat of wisdom, Mother Teresa, who was once the principal of St. Mary's School, continues to instruct the world in right living through her holy life and inspired teachings. Peace begins with a smile. Not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. Beautiful words of Mother, full of divine wisdom. Third, profound humility.
I remember after my ordination in 1994, visiting Mother House, hearing that I was recently ordained. Mother Teresa knelt before me in public, asking, Father, please bless me. What tremendous humility. That was a moment I felt truly blessed.
Four, angelic sweetness. We know how when Mother Teresa started her work in Kalighat, few priests there were hostile to her. Few days later, one of them who raised the biggest alarm was detected with cholera and abandoned in the street as no hospital would admit him. It was Mother who rushed to his aid, meeting hatred with love. Later on in her mission too, even when she was projected as hell's angel, she responded with her characteristic sweetness. If you judge people, you have no time to love them. Constant prayer. Each word, each deed, each step to satiate the thirst of Jesus. This was the fire within Mother that ignited her soul. She lived always all for Jesus through Mary. Sixth, blind obedience. Blessed Virgin Mary, who said, Behold the handmaid of the Lord, taught Mother Teresa to do whatever Jesus tells, to trust Jesus lovingly, to trust Him blindly. In 1942, Mother Teresa made a personal vow to refuse nothing to Jesus. She desired only what Jesus desired and refused him nothing.
Lively faith and heroic patience are two virtues of Mother Mary that shone brightly at the foot of the cross. Mother Teresa lived these virtues heroically during the last 50 years of her interior darkness. In moments of the absence of God, she walked patiently, led by faith alone. I quote Saint John of the Cross, with no other light or guide than the one that burned in my heart. This guided me more surely than the light of noon to where he was awaiting me. Him I knew so well.
Finally, ardent charity and universal mortification. One of Mother's quotes that echo in many hearts today is love till it hurts. And when it hurts, love more until it hurts no more. Having loved Mother Teresa loved unto the end, becoming a living flame of love in the slums. She had responded perfectly to the call of Jesus, "Come, be my light."
Dear friends, during this Mass, let us ask God to bless each of us, that like Mother Teresa, imitating the virtues of Mother Mary, we too may become immaculate and a cause of joy, a channel of peace, and a living flame of love to everyone around.